Okay, nearly missed the start there.
Green flag, green flag.
Sorting out my recording. Oh dear. Car behind's just crashed. I don't know how you do that. It crashed into the barrier off the line. But anyway, MX5s. Virginia International Raceway, the short circuit.
Still there.
Let's see if we can get round without killing ourselves. Still trying out the new overlays. So I've changed them a little bit. And I realised I had iRacing set up with without a
Right side.
with the wrong pedals, so it said I had potentiometer rather than load cell, so I wasn't able to brake. I did wonder why I was struggling so much. Anyway, I've worked that out.
Clear on the left.
I'm just trying to get through without killing myself at the moment. This is not going well. Not going well at all. Oh dear.
Incident ahead.
Not going well for them
Go left.
either. Blimey.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, mate.
Had to pick the right side there.
Lost control.
And I've just been hit. Fucking hell.
Car on your
Yeah,
left.
you get to keep
Clear
going
on
and
the
my
left.
car's ruined. That's fun.
Jesus.
You know, I was ramped on the first place, so everything went bad. Please, drivers, do not make contact. It's worse for these cars.
Let's see what we can do. Well, I'm making a right mess of this. A right mess. But we'll get some decent... So I've only got a 1X, so that's not too bad. And I'm... Where am I? And I'm near the back, but not too far because lots of people have gone in the pits, I think.
To go.
So let's see if we can make up any places. Used to have a race with somebody, so we're 9th. I reckon we can catch these two ahead. That's my target. But yeah, that braking control did make a difference. I was coming into corners and just not able to... I just didn't feel like I was braking. Well, let's get the tyres warm and see if we can close up to these guys. So I don't know what happened that last lap. I mean, I braked because that Martini car was slowing. And the guy behind just didn't brake, did he? Oh well, no off track. This new PC's great, but my driving's gone to pot. This PC's quicker than I am. That's the problem. Just dropping away, yeah? Where are we then? What's happening? 9th? 5.1 behind. They're in the 36s. What are we doing? 37s. Be nice to join the party, wouldn't it? If they battle, we've got a chance. If they don't, then we haven't really. So we're doing a bit better than we were last time anyway. 4.9 now. Changed down too many gears then. Yeah. Well, we're going a bit quicker. Maybe. 37 seconds. We're slower than all those ahead of us, aren't we?
For the session.
Oh, it's not good.
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead.
Okay, well, we've got somebody to race by the looks of it.
Go right.
It's that Martini car that caused us to have that accident, I think. .8 behind. Can we do anything? Maybe. Maybe not. Just don't have it, do we? Oh dear. 2 people have gone off. What's going on there then? Must have got alongside on the straight and just tipped him into a spin. Okay, well, maybe then. We're being caught though, aren't we? I think we must be 6th. Hey, he's right with us, isn't he? Whether we can keep ahead or not, I don't know. He comes down to first there. Yeah, he's a little bit quicker than me, isn't he? I've not done enough track practice round here.
Left side. Still there, hold your line. Stay on the right. Still there. Clear.
Okay.
Car stopped ahead. Car stopped.
Somebody else off, are they? Well, I've only got to defend for a few more minutes. I'm not going to give it up. We've got a couple of people to race here. Although they are a bit quicker than us, I think.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 2.1 seconds.
It's not pretty, but I'm still in front of him. With a good run up here. No, it's first better, maybe. Yeah, come on.
36.5. Left side.
That's not worked.
Keep to the right.
Oh well.
Clear on the left.
Let's see if I can keep with him. Defend my other place at least.
Keep to the right. Clear.
I only lost one place and we are catching some others. Okay, he's nearly off that. So he's not having it easy, is he? Put him under pressure. He's coming down to first to go up here, isn't he? Let's make him think about it, shall we? First might be better. Just need to get this next corner right. Made a right mess of it last time. That's a bit better. Bit slow though. Do this slipstream here to keep me away from this car behind.
White flag this time.
Stick to the inside, I think.
You're in the middle.
Both gone wide.
Car right, too wide. Keep to
Have
the
I got
left.
enough? I got the inside.
Stay on the left. Still there. Clear on the right.
What I didn't want to do was go too quick and even give him have the up and under. So I slowed more than I needed to make sure I didn't go wide. I'll take the off track, I don't mind. Oh, I got a good exit there, he didn't. I got a really good exit. Helped me all the way up the hill, hopefully. Although he's closing again. I went too fast there. But I've got a good exit again, so I think I'm okay. Wow, interesting race. So am I sixth then? I think I must be sixth. Those two are going to hit each other. They are.
Got a slow car on the right. Go left.
Sixth. Okay, I'll take that. Good race.
Checkered flag, checkered flag.
Despite being punted up the rear. Okay, here's the start then. So we've got this guy. Let's have a quick look because he's behind us. Let's have a quick look. What was this guy doing? So his wheel's facing the wrong way. Look at this M&M's guy. His wheel is facing the wrong way. And he just drives straight into the barrier. What was that about? Anyway, let's have a look at the front view. So incidents then, what we got? Here's the first one. Come on. There's no need for that. And what have we got? So this Martini guy, he got hit and punted off, more or less. And he was the one that we were with, weren't we? So he struggled and we caught him up and oh, that was netcode, unfortunately, I think. And we just avoided that guy. Yeah. Oh dear. And then we got this Martini car. What's he doing? He's not having a good go, is he, really? And then this guy's just... Oh, that was the two that went off. Bit of a bump draft and... Oh, straight to the barrier. Yeah, that was not good. Oh, dear. Here's the M&M's guy. He was actually okay once he got going, although not so much there. But anyway. Then what's going to happen? Is that it? Wow. It felt like there was more incidents than that. Let's have a look at the results. So second split out of 16. So yeah, it didn't feel like it. Got a bit of safety rating, which is amazing. Got a bit of I rating again, which is amazing after such a bad start. Best lap for 37 and 7. So I'm a second away, second and a half away, really. Yeah, I think I'm more focused on sorting out my new PC and all the overlays and everything else, and I'm not really concentrating on the driving. So I will start concentrating on the driving. I'm going to try LMU, Le Mans Ultimate, with the new PC and see what that's like. So that'll be the next video after this one. This will be going up Wednesday. I've got one already in the bag for Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So I'm confusing myself now. Anyway, whatever you want to see, if you want to see any of my videos, then do please stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.